Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering and roughly aiming the dish. This sets the foundation. First, confirm the antenna and L&B ratings and feed line integrity so you avoid equipment damage. Then, connect a 12V supply or the receiver power to the L&B and make sure polarity matches. Next, set the antenna to the approximate azimuth and elevation from satellite coordinates. Once done, tighten mounting bolts enough to hold position, but leave room to fine-tune. You'll refine alignment in the next phase. You now focus on precision. Use the receiver's signal meter or a spectrum analyzer to watch dB, SNR, and BER values in real time. While one person watches the readout, slowly sweep azimuth in 1-2 degree increments, then elevate in small steps. Listen for the SNR to climb. Make micro-adjustments to L&B skew to maximize carrier strength and retorque mounting hardware once peaks are found. If available, switch to a narrower beam test carrier to confirm the lock, then record final settings for repeatability. You finish by securing the dish, sealing connectors with self-amalgamating tape, and verifying voltage at the L&B. Next, program the receiver with transponder frequencies, symbol rates, and PID or channel mapping. Update firmware if needed to ensure compatibility. Make a quick quality check, record a test stream, and monitor dropouts for several minutes. If you don't achieve lock, suspect alignment, cable loss, or missing L&B power, recheck those in that order. One targeted fix usually restores full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.